Hi, today I'm going to show you how to add stock images and videos to your project on Headliner. Stock media can be added to any project that was created using any of Headliner's wizards except for full episode. Once you're on the project timeline, you can add stock media by clicking on the blue plus sign on the media track. This will open the media selection screen where you can select the type of stock media you want as well as the provider you want to search for it on. Type your keyword into the search bar and hit search. Next, click on the stock photo that you would like to use. You'll now be able to adjust your start and end time for your image, add an effect or transition to it, and crop it to your liking. Once you're ready to import the media onto your timeline, click Add to Video. Adding videos or GIFs works the same way. Simply click on Video or GIF when selecting your media type. After you've selected a video or GIF, you'll be able to adjust the in and out times for your clip as well as trim it to your liking. You can also adjust the volume of the clip.